I'm supposed to come for Mangal Aarti. I forgot that it is on the first floor. Both of us, my secretary, so we both took the lift to ground floor, and then we came and hey, this is not the floor. And by the time we figured it out, and the shank blew, and my heart crashed. That the shank blew. You have to be there front of the DT before the shank is blown and the curtain opens and the Lord should see you. Lord is a VIP. We have to wait for him. There are 3 ways to look at it. So if I want to be in my comfort space, I should say it's Nilima's mistake, because she's my secretary. She's supposed to see where is this Bhaktivedanta Research Center. So mistake is hers. So do I have to improve? No, because mistake is hers, not my mistake. So I don't have to improve. So I'm relaxed, I'm comfortable, there'll be no progress. Okay, now you may say, Mataji, but we are not like you. We will think it's our mistake. But you know what is the right way of doing it? I'm supposed to get 10 minutes ready earlier because I don't know this place, how to go where, which is which floor and all. When we stop projecting mistakes on others and we bring it to us, only then we will change. As long as I think it's her mistake, I don't have to improve because I'm perfect. I don't have any mistake. But the moment I project it on myself, now I had a chance. No, today I will be 10 minutes early. So that even if there is some mistake, you see, I have to give chance for other mistakes also. Maybe the lift may not work. Maybe anything can happen. So I should give that chance. That's very important. And that is why a devotee improves, because the devotee is always looking at where I am going wrong. What change should be in my behavior. So, the devotee is Shanti, very peaceful, because he's not looking outside world to give blame to anybody. He's never blaming situations, circumstance of people, and he's neither blaming Krishna. People are not my problem. My reaction is my problem. How I react, how I respond, right? Is what the devotee wants to do. He doesn't want to convince Krishna that please accept my plan. He wants to go according to Krishna's plan, and that is why he prays that Krishna, give me strength so that I can go according to your plan.